So for this week's trades of the week, the week starting the 3rd of March 2014, basically a little bit of a pullback on silver kicking in here. It's gone a bit against us, obviously, with all that news over the Ukraine. I know some people look to close out on this trade already and take a small hit on it, but you know, we're short from 21.21, so about 20 points offside at the moment. But we're looking for about a 60-point move on this one, maybe pulling all the way down to the bottom of the price envelope. I guess it really depends on what happens over in that horrible Ukraine situation, but you know, time will tell on that one certainly. But as far as the charts are concerned, there's a short signal, and we'll just have to see what happens on that. Moving through to some of the other markets for this week, let's stick to some currencies to begin with. Aussie dollar gave us a nice short just a few days ago, a fairly textbook opportunity to sell here. No, there's no sniper on it, but the trend is down, so that monthly direction of Aussie dollar is down, so we're looking for a short in line with that dominant trend at the moment. So short from 89.171, we're currently now 89.16, so we're about 60 points to the good on this trade, and it's certainly going in the right direction. A little bit of a track higher this morning, but certainly moving and continually breaching new lows on that Aussie dollar, so certainly a nice move at the moment, in line with that longer term dominant trend on Aussie dollar there. So another move in line with the trend is sort of opposite really. It's euro against the US dollar, and this is a trade that we had similar sort of view really, that we had those trend signal lines below 725 turning from red to green here, vector average from red to green as well, buy here in line with the uptrend on the euro dollar there, so we're buying at 136.31 with a target up to this line here, so a target up to 138.08. Really nice move, and a profit of about 170 points on that one. Took a little while, took a few weeks there, but we've actually hit that level on Friday just last week, so really nice move up to that target zone there. Good profit and a really nice trade with the trend there on euro dollar. So a couple of decent opportunities with the trends there. Another one that's going sort of okay until today really is sterling yen. Now, this is a buy that we got on back at 167.70. Now, those of you who are in for that quick in and out, that 60-point winner on the dailies, you're out of that trade straight away on that first day, taking profits there. Other people looking out and holding out for those bigger targets, maybe up even to this level up here, not quite got up there just yet. And I'll tell you what's fascinating about this chart is this level here, this 169.99 area. A number of times we've tested that level ever since breaking through it on the 12th of February. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times we've tried to come back below this level, and being forced straight back higher again, and higher and higher and higher and higher. All lots of tails there on this chart. But what we're seeing today is an open below it, and then, well, will we get a close below it? We'll see. Either way, I'm advocating, if you are still long sterling yen, maybe, you know, the risk-averse traders amongst you might want to look to bail out on here, because I think the market's going to see a little bit of a pullback over the next couple of days. It may well be that we'll continue through to the upside, in line with that dominant trend on sterling yen. As I say, the Ukrainian situation is really what's going to pull power to that. But really, we're long here from 167.70. We're currently up about 170, 180 points on it at the moment. So covering good profits at the moment. So no real problem looking to close out if that's what you want to do. Looking then through finally to a couple of the indices that have gone through really nicely and hit target. FTSE first of all, and then we're going to move on to the S&Ps. Now FTSE has pulled back quite dramatically today, of course, over a lot of fear on the equity markets. But there's the buy there, back from the 7th of February, in line with the uptrend on the market. So really can be forgiven for looking for prices to push right up to the top here. So original buy from about 6600 up to a target of 68.70. So that's a profit of around about 270 points there on that trade. Now you may just be a pound a point, but that's 270 quid on that trade over a couple of weeks. Hit that target there on Monday afternoon last week. And then moving through finally through to the S&Ps. Bit of a curious sniper on this one, but certainly there's the buy there, back on the 7th of February again. Uptrend, indicators turning from red to green. There's our buy, there's our target up to the top of the price envelope there. And I know, having spoken to one of our customers today, he picked up 717 points on that trade, closing it out on Friday as it pierced through the top of the price envelope, touching the top there. What a fantastic exit, particularly when you see the prices down to where they are now. So great move, great profit on the S&Ps as well, and really rounding off what's been a pretty decent run on the daily charts of late. Anyway, hope you're doing all right with your trading. Catch you soon.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.